Um, I think again,
And just to add to it, Varroc started with one plant,
yes, indeed. And how many do you have now?
close to
50?
40
40. Okay, yeah. So that's
across the
that's
globe.
that's the roadmap. So you're never too small.
Never too
You
small.
yeah,
Yeah.
you may be small today. Um, the whole thesis around digital transformation. Let's not talk security. We said he spoke a lot. Um, I still see in manufacturing we are still doing a lot of catch up around digital
Hmm.
adoption,
Hmm.
and maybe the core backend. Yes, you may have some form of an ERP, modest if at all, but on the surround side, I know you're undergoing and you're thinking about a major transformation. What are the things, and maybe not before your tier three, tier four, but companies like you, or maybe just an immediate supplier to you? What are the things that are happening in the industry right now from a transformation perspective, tech transformation perspective?
I think it all boils down to speed of response.
Yes,
Everybody wants a solution quickly, and it is all driven by your principal. Your principal is whom is your OEM.
yes,
So if the OEM, you are there because there is a OEM,
yes, yeah, yeah, sure.
right? For us, at least applicable to us. So it's the speed of response that you need, and whatever it takes for us to give a quality solution at an affordable price. Expectation is always everything is going down.
Yeah,
You should be the cheapest tier one supplier, but at the same time, you should be able to give in the right time. You should meet your on time in full commitments and all that. For that, you need tools.
yes,
And then tools and technology is going to come in this, but at the end, it all comes down to again basic is that you need to invest in the right people, right tool. And when it comes to tool, as you said, the question which is being asked is how do you do the cost consideration there and make
yeah,
sure that you have the right tool. So minimum that you have is ERP. If you are a component manufacturer, you will have a PLM.
yes,
You are dealing with a lot of people, you need a HRMS solution. You need to be on the cloud because you need to do this integration with your OEM. That expectation is there. Then again your analytics should be there.
yes,
Yeah. And then you should be on the collaboration which is needed across your plant, your sites, and with the customer. You need to have some collaboration tool. And fortunately, if you see in last 5 6 years the trend, and I am proud to be sitting in one of the organization which is helping India become sovereign,
yeah. Thank you.
right? So, and there are a lot of such organization. I think India, as an Indian organization, you should feel lucky that you're in a country where we are producing these tools and we are competing with this world,
Yep,
right?
I agree with you.
Yeah,
I couldn't agree more.
yeah.
Couldn't agree more.
So this is the right time for us to be on try and we try to be more on this sovereign solution because it is going to help India in the long run.
Thank you.